Okay. We have already discussed about the shift in center of gravity. We have done a lot of problem also. Remember center of gravity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now this today we'll study only one problem. Okay. Now initially whatever problems we have done, it is related to the only the single weight we are shifting, adding or discharging. Okay. Now if you see this problem, that is example number 7. Just see that one. Now this problem is related to what happens to my center of gravity when number of weights are added at the same time it is removed, at the same time some weight are shifting. So what happened to the center of gravity? Okay. Now in this condition what we have to do is these problems are more simpler, I can say. It looks complicated and bigger problem, but these problems are more simpler than the previous one. Okay. Why I'm saying is because you have to make one table and directly from the table you can take the values. Okay. Now can you read the can you see the problem on the ship of 10,000 ton displacement? Can you read it? Everybody just open your PDF or you can see the Digant screen. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll just read it out. On the ship of 10,000 ton displacement, kg is 7.75 meter. Okay. Now this kg is for the ship. Okay. And the following things happen to the ship. So after these things happen, my center of gravity shift is changed to new center of gravity, right? So what are these conditions? First condition is 1,000 ton of cargo is removed, is discharged from the number 2 lower hold. LH means lower hold, and the kg of this weight is 4 meter. Okay. Now second thing happened is 2,000 of the cargo is again discharged from the upper deck. UD stands for upper deck, and the kg of this upper deck is 9.8 meter. Third thing happened is 500 tons of fresh water is taken into the peak tank. Peak tank is, what is the meaning of peak tank? Either fore peak tank or aft peak tank. Okay. The kg is 6.5 meter. Then again is 500 tons of fuel oil is taken into 4 dbt. Anybody can tell me what is number 4 dbt?
Sir, D plus double bottom tank.
Yes, it's number 4 double bottom tank. Okay. Now if you see number 2, number 4, number 8 like this number doesn't matter. It is only for telling you from where it is shifted. Okay. And the kg of that thing is 0.5 meter. Then 500 tons of cargo is shifted to number 2 twin deck. TD stands for twin deck. Okay. Twin deck is in between the main deck and in between it. Okay. To number 2 lower hold. Okay. So these are the things happened. Okay. And the vertical distance is 8 meter. So find the final kg. So what are the things happening over here is some weight is added, some weight is removed, and some weight is shifted. All the three conditions came in the same problem. Okay. Now you go to the next page. Digan, just shift to the next page. Page number 59. Everybody see the page number 59. Digan, change the page.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you make it vertical? Everybody is having their own book or a soft copy. Then just see the page number 59. The table on the top. Can you see?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now my see only one formula is there. Just see the final formula. My final kg is final moment upon final weight. This is my only, from this only I have to find the entire value. Now how I'm going to find the final moment and final W? I have to make with the simple table. Now if you see the table, first one is something called a remark. Remark means I have written all this, where is my weight, this and that. Okay, this column is not that important. Main important columns are this one. Now can you see the second column, weight? Can you see weight column?
Yes, sir.
In that weight column, one is loaded and one is discharged, right?
Yes.
Okay. The first weight they have written is the ship's weight. 10,000 is my ship's displacement. So they have kept this in the loaded part. Okay. The second weight, if you see, it is 1,000 ton is discharged. That's why it is written in the discharge column, right? Third one, again 2,000 ton cargo is discharged. So that's why again it is written in the discharge column. Then what happened to peak for fresh water? 500 is added. Can you see? Loaded, they have written for fresh water 500. And again fuel oil in double bottom, again it is added. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Only thing, just remember this. Only adding and discharging and ship's own weight to be written. Shifting thing don't write in right now in the starting phase. Shifting you have to do it later on. Okay. Only adding or discharging only make a column. Right? It is done. Okay. Now if you see what he has done, he has just added loaded condition. It has added. That is 10,000 plus 500 plus 500. It become level 1,000. Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what he has for final W, what he has done? He has added now the discharge one, 1,000 and 2,000, that is 3,000. So final weight is whatever total weight I am having, whatever discharge. So level 1,000 minus 3,000 is become 8,000. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. What I have done, my ship's displacement 10,000 plus what weight I have added, 1,000 weight I have added, 2,000 weight, whatever adding, I'll keep on adding, and I'll whatever discharge is there, I will just subtract it. So I'll get final is 8,000.
Sir.
Right? Understood how that 8,000 came?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Then just see the fourth column, that is kg. 7.75, 4, 9.8, 6.5, and 0.5. These values are given in the same in the question. Ship's kg is 7.75. Number 2 cargo hold is 4 meter. Upper deck is 9.8 meter. For fresh water is 6.5 and heavy fuel double bottom tank 0.5. These values are given. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the final column, moment. What is the meaning of moment? Moment is force into distance, right? What is the force over here? Weight is my force, and distance is the what is kg distance. That's why moment is what is force into distance. Simply you have to multiply. Now in the moment also there is one loaded condition, one discharge condition. Very simple. So what I have done, 10,000 into 7.75. How much it become? 77,500. Can you see? It just multiplied weight into distance. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one, can you see 1,000 into 4 become 4,000? Just right, he has written in the discharge column. Right? Then third column, 2,000 into 9.8 become 19,600. Written in the discharge because it is discharge column they have written. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, what is 500 into 6.5 become 3250. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And last one, 500 into 0.5 become 250.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then what has been done? Same like the weight. He has added the moment, that is 775 plus 3250 plus 250. It become 81,000.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Minus what? Discharge one. How much is the discharge? Is 23,600. Yes. So how much will come? 57,400. So right now this is my so my total is two values I got. One I got is 8,000 and one I got 57,400. This thing is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How I got 57,400. Okay, now the shifting part comes. Okay, in shifting, what he is saying, 500 tons of cargo is shifted from this to this. So last column, just see, 500 tons of cargo is shifted and it is saying down. Just see what it is saying. 500 tons of cargo is shifted from number to twin deck. Twin deck, what I said, twin deck is first is main deck, then twin deck, then lower hold. Right? So from twin deck to lower hold means what? It came from top to bottom. That's why he has mentioned minus sign over there. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then yeah. So this value you understood, 57,400. Then he has subtracted 4,000 over here. Why he has subtracted 4,000 here? Anybody can tell me? It is
Sir,
in the
movement of
moment.
field. Movement, it is movement,
Yes,
sir.
Weight
it
into
is a moment.
displacement, sir. Weight into
500
Yes,
into
displacement.
it is a moment column because 500 is the weight in the distance. How much? 8 meters. So 8 into 5, 4,000 it becomes.
4,000.
Can
Yes.
you say?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And what it is saying? It is, and the cargo is shifting from twin deck to lower hull. That means it should be. It came down. That means it is minus. That's why 57,400 minus 4,000 it become 53,400.
Sir,
Right?
if it, sir,
Can you explain it again, sir?
Yeah. Which one?
Sir,
Shifting
I-
part?
Yes, sir. Shifting part.
Okay. See, till now you understand what I have done for adding and subtracting this column. You understand how I got 8,000 and 57,400.
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever shifting is there, you have to do it separately. Right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So what I have done, it is mentioned, just see 500 tons is shifted 8 meter down. Why I'm saying down? Because it is mentioned from twin deck to lower hull. That's why I mentioned is down. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And where I have, what I have done, again I have written same thing in the moment. Moment means force into distance. What is the force here? Weight, that is 500 into what distance? 8. 8 into 5, 4,000. Can you see?
sir, I,
Yes, sir.
So just okay. So final moment become for 57. Initially, what I found minus shifting moment. That is 57. So it become 53,400.
Yes.
Okay. So final value I got is 53,400, and final W I already calculated is 8,000. So final kg become final moment by final W. So 53,400 divided by 8,000. So final answer is 6.675. Okay. Any doubt? See this.
No, sir.
See, I'll tell you very simple. Yeah, very simple. Loading whatever weight is there first, I have written. Whatever discharge I have written, I made a final W. That is the first thing. Second thing, what I have done, I have written the column part, that is the distance part, at what distance my kg is there. And the last column, I made a moment part. Moment is force into distance. Force is weight over here. So what I have done, final moment upon final W, if I do, I'll get a final kg. But that thing I can do. But here they have also mentioned the shifting part. The shifting part also I have done over in the last part. That is 4,000. Since it is coming down, I made it minus. So final answer I got a 53,400, which I divide by final W, that is 8,000. So I got 6.6. Okay. Any doubt? If you, what I'll suggest is you just do it once. Calculator, pen, pencil. Then it is very simple. These problems are simpler than what we have done before. Multiple weight.
So why do
Any
we
doubt over
subtract,
here?
why do we subtract 3,000 from 11,000, sir?
Where? Which one? Okay.
Second.
No. What it is saying? Yeah. What it is saying? It is my final displacement. Final. What is my current displacement? Right? What is level 1,000? One is 10,000 is my ship weight plus 500 I have added plus 500 I have added. So it become 10 plus 1 level 1,000. Right? And I have to discharge some weight. If you see, I have discharged some weight 1,000 and 2,000. That's why I removed from final displacement means what? What is my final weight of the ship? So whatever my own ship plus added weight minus, I have removed the. That's why I removed the 3,000.
But 3,000 was
Discharge.
already there in the ship, no, sir? Why do we
it
subtract?
is discharged. It is discharged.
It is discharged now. Now, it's present condition. My question is, this is my ship of 10,000 ton. Okay, it is having some kg value, center of gravity value. What happens when I add some weight to it? What happened to my CG? At the same time, if I remove some mass from it also now. Understood?
Okay.
These are the conditions. Yeah, this is what condition they have mentioned. That is 500 I have added, 500 more I have added. Then I remove some 1,000. Then I again remove some 20. Then what is my final displacement remained in the ship? In the current condition.
Okay.
So my final displacement now final is 8,000. Right? Understood? It is mentioned. See, final W. It is final
Okay.
after removing, adding everything. What is my final? Right?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Fine. So if you see exercise number 7, okay, there are some problems 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can, how many are there? There are actually 10 problems. Can you do 2 or two or three problems?
I
No,
had
I'll
a
tell you.
doubt.
Okay, do four problems. First four problems.
Homework, no, sir?
Which one? What doubt?
First 4 is homework.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Homework. Yeah, only these four problems are homework. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if there is no shifting, then the final movement will be 57,400, no?
Yes. If there is no shifting, then it will be 57,400 divided by 8,000.
Okay. Sir, and what is the full form of kg, sir?
See, shifting is coming. So,
Forgot, sir.
there is no full form for kg. It is a distance from keel to center of gravity.
Okay, sir.
It is distance from keel to center of gravity.
Yes, sir. Sir, and we have to mention these
Is
remarks.
that Ravi?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to mention these remarks like.
No. No, it's not required to mention the remark, but it is easy for you to understand. So that you can see the all the criteria. Okay, so you cannot skip any one weight also. You can start from directly. Wait.
Sir,
So
and
weight is shift down, then we have to minus. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. Yes. You should understand TD, what is TD stand for, what is LS stand for. From top to bottom, that's why they have subtracted.
sir, if the weight is being shifted upside, then it is positive, like it will be added.
It's moment with the old moment.
Sir, you are not audible.
Right? Just turn off your mics. Yeah. If I, for example, if it is given in reverse order, the weight is shifted from lower hole to main deck or twin deck, then the final moment, if that 4,000 could be added to that moment what you have found.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay then. So can you do these four problems? Can you try?